In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint's presenter view effectively. Whether you're presenting for work, school, or any other event, mastering the presenter view in Microsoft PowerPoint can significantly enhance your presentation skills. By following these steps, you'll be able to display your presentation like a pro, using tools that will help you keep track of your slides, notes, and timing, all while engaging with your audience. First off, let's start with the basics. Before you can utilize the presenter view, you need to have PowerPoint open. So go ahead and open up your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This step is pretty straightforward. Just find the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu or Applications folder and click on it. Once PowerPoint is up and running, the next action you'll want to take is to open the presentation file you're going to work with. This can be done directly from the opening screen of PowerPoint. Here you might see a list of recent documents or have the option to browse for a specific file on your computer. Navigate through your folders and select the presentation you wish to open. If this is the first time you're opening PowerPoint, you might need to click on Open Other Presentations to find your file. After you've opened your presentation, you'll want to prepare it for presentation mode. To do this, you're going to navigate to the Slideshow tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar at the top of PowerPoint, and it contains several tabs, each with its own set of commands. The Slideshow tab is specifically designed for setting up and customizing how you present your slides. Now, here comes the part where you enable the presenter view. Within the Slideshow tab, look for the Use Presenter View checkbox. This option might be located in different areas depending on your version of PowerPoint, but it's typically in the Monitors group within the tab. Once you find it, go ahead and check this box. By doing this, you're telling PowerPoint that you want to use the presenter view when your presentation is in presentation mode. Now let's talk a bit about what presenter view actually does and why it's so useful. Presenter view offers a unique setup where you, as the presenter, get to see a lot more than just the slides being shown to your audience. You'll have access to your current slide, of course, but also to your upcoming slide, notes about your current slide, and a timer to help you keep track of how long you've been speaking. This feature is incredibly helpful for staying organized and keeping pace during your presentation. To summarize, by following the steps we've outlined here, opening PowerPoint, selecting your presentation file, going to the Slideshow tab, and checking the Use Presenter View option, you'll be well on your way to leveraging one of PowerPoint's most powerful tools. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore Presenter View before your actual presentation. Familiarize yourself with its layout and functionalities, such as how you can switch between slides or refer to your notes discreetly. Finally, a quick tip before we wrap up. Make sure you have the necessary setup to make the most out of Presenter View. This usually means connecting your computer to a secondary display or projector. PowerPoint will automatically detect this setup and adjust the presentation mode accordingly, showing the audience only the slides while you manage from behind the scenes with Presenter View. By following these steps, you'll not only deliver a more structured and impactful presentation, but also feel more confident and in control during your delivery. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial on using PowerPoint's Presenter View has been insightful and that you feel prepared to take your presenting skills to the next level. Remember, it's not just about what you present but how you present it. Good luck!